And we do want to head outside for you now.
Yes, take you to Jordan Shefty. She's driving around the streets of Wichita and on the scene of a house fire now. Jordan?
Megan, Jamel, we're here at the 2200 block of North Jackson at the scene of a house fire. The good news is that firefighters have the house under control. They're wrapping up out here. They were able to get it pretty much under control in the matter of under 30 minutes. There was an attic fire, but here's where they had a problem. It was with this winter weather. I've talked with one firefighter who told me that they have to deal with lines freezing and have to worry about slipping on the ice out here. She also said that getting here becomes a problem in this type of weather. We all know how hard it is to drive in the snow, and this morning especially, the snow is just coming down. It's very hard to see where the roads are, so you can only imagine how much trouble they have getting to houses in this type of condition. But the good news, the fire is under control. Very little damage to the structure. So they're wrapping up out here, and we'll be heading somewhere else shortly after this. Reporting live in West Wichita, Jordan Shefty, KAKE News.
And we want to take you outside right now to just show you what the roads are really like out there.
KAKE's Jordan Shefty has been driving around the Wichita area, keeping an eye on conditions. Jordan?
Mike and Jamel, we're live on the scene here of the second house fire this morning. This one's at the 1200 block of South Seville. That's near Tyler and Kellogg. Now, I talked with fire crews. They say that this fire started up in the attic. It is pretty much under control at this point. They say that they were able to get 3 elderly patients out of the house who were treated and released here at the scene. They also were able to save 3 pets from this fire. But not all has been well here. This weather has been causing them some problems. They also have had 3 different vehicles stuck out here. You can see this ambulance is still stuck here in this snow. The piles out here, there are just some drifts that are very, very deep. If you come this way, I'll show you, it hits up to about my knee in some spots. It's coming up and hitting right about here in some different areas. So it's very deep, very hard to navigate. So people driving on the roads, you're not the only ones having problems this morning. The emergency crews are also struggling with this weather. So just be careful out there. It's not easy to get around. Reporting live in West Wichita, Jordan Shefty, KAKE News.
And as we have mentioned, many drivers having trouble getting around after this blast of winter weather, but emergency crews also struggling with the snowy conditions on the roads. KAKE's Jordan Shefty explains.
The snow has made the streets a mess today and has caused a number of cars like this one to get stuck in snowbanks on the side of the road. But cars aren't the only ones having a hard time getting around. In an emergency, time is of the essence.
Problem getting here is we just can't go fast.
But this morning, blizzard-like conditions created problems for crews as they were called to 2 separate house fires.
Got the fire contained, but we had a lot of difficulty. We had a lot of difficulty actually driving here. We had 1 unit get stuck driving here, and we've got 2 additional units stuck getting released.
Their response time was slowed.
Probably triple the normal because we was driving about 15-20 miles an hour tops.
And it didn't get much better once they arrived. The weather conditions brought new elements. Crews not only had to worry about slipping, but also about their hoses freezing.
If it gets below 15, water in the hose will start freezing if we don't keep water flowing through it.
The delays posing a risk to public safety and making the job of an emergency crew extremely difficult.
They have to have additional crews going too, so our sources are very, very limited and very stressed right now.
To avoid getting stuck in this type of situation, just stay home tonight, stay inside, stay warm, and stay safe. Reporting in West Wichita, Jordan Shefty, KAKE News.